Hello guys, this is TJ. It was a very bad day for me. I was in profit of almost 35 to 40k, but I gave it up all at the end of the day. Uh, so at the end of the day, this particular fall, and yeah, I gave up most of the profits. So let me go back to my trades. Uh, So if you see here, the Bank Nifty, as per the global markets, it was clear the bank our market will go up, and the short covering will come in. So since if you see here from past 2 days, the market was falling, and there were a lot of shorts in place in the system. So whenever this kind of big move happens, all these guys who have short will go for covering, and this short covering will happen, which will take the market up. So I was expecting that short covering to happen today, because the global market was bullish and it was up. So for that case, what I did was, whenever the market opened, I went and bought 34,700 call, which was trading around 115.9. So this particular call, usually I will not buy the calls, I will just sell the calls. But this particular day, since I was very clear, and on expiry days the gamma will come into picture. So to get the back gamma benefit, I bought this call. So if you can see, I bought this one at 115, and I sold it around 204. So I got almost 90 points of profits in this. So it was a very good trade. Then mm, along with this call buy, I shorted put. Uh, First I shorted a put of 150 34 800 put, which was trading around 158, and I closed it around 11111, and I shorted a 34 900 put. So, and this 34 900 put, I closed it around 142. Okay, so in this particular trade, in this three trades, I almost got mm, 23 23k, that is 230 points. And this is my system trades, this four, or my system trades which I trade daily. uh, so whatever the mm, so these are stop loss of my system trades. Okay, so mm, yeah, this one, sorry, this 34 900 put, which I sold at 159, I covered it around 115, and I shorted 35,000 put, which was trading around 172, and I closed this around 185, and yeah. So in middle, I bought this calendar. So I shorted a triangle of 15,800 put, and 15,750 call, and I bought next expiry put and call for this as an hedge. So it became calendar. Uh, so this is my discretionary trades. So again, after closing this 35 900 put, I shorted a 35 900 put, which was trading around 112, and I got a profit of 72. As a whole, in discretionary trades, by this point, I got almost 24k profits. So if you can see here, this thing happened till 10:36. So till 10:36, I was in a profit of almost 30k. including my system trades. So I didn't close it here, and by the time I reached here, I was in profit of almost 40K. Uh, so after this things, this were my adjustment for my of this calendar. This triangle, whatever I shorted, triangle or straddle, I did a lot of adjustment based on the market movement. So after all these things, I kept on shorting puts, and my stop loss was getting hit at every point. So I broke all my rules. Like usually I keep stop loss of 30 points, but if you can see here, for this 34,900 put, which I shorted at 80, you can say, I closed it around 115. Okay, and again this again I shorted same 34,900 put, and I closed it around 131, so I had a loss of almost 38 points. So like this, I went on shorting puts, and I was my stop loss was hit a lot of times. Okay, so in this particular trades, I lost almost all my gains. So I made this mistake because I was super bullish. I was thinking like the market will not reverse from there, but as per my technical analysis and OI data, the bank nifty was bearish, but still I was selling puts, thinking like the market will reverse from this VWAP, which didn't happen. So, and the main mistake I did was over trading, which I will not do daily. So if you can see here, I did a lot of trades, lot of trades at the end of the day. Uh, Usually I will short only 125 quantity, but if you can see here, I took 225, and such a big quantities I took, and I made very big losses. So as a whole, it was a very bad day, and I was able to come out with a loss of 12.5k. Yeah, so it would have been a very good expiry if I would have stopped around this point, and I would have shorted calls from this point. As per my technical analysis, it would have been very good expiry for me, but I didn't follow my system, and I paid the price. Yeah, that's it for the day, guys. Thanks.